Apple's iPad has had eyes on eventually becoming the future of computing for years now, and it's been getting there in gradual steps. The 2015 to 2016 iPad Pro tablets made strides with a great pencil stylus and seriously fast processing. From a hardware perspective, the 2016 9.7-inch iPad Pro was a nearly perfect package. This year, the tablets are back, offering hardware revamps in two different screen sizes, 12.9-inch, and a slightly larger than before 10.5-inch. Both seem ready to take advantage of iOS 11, which offers a slew of new split-screen, app managing and file management tools that could make them feel more computer-like, in a good way, than ever before. There's only one problem. iOS 11 comes out this fall, and the tablets are here now.